Located in Boksburg, South Africa, Langeberg Food Processors is one of the country's oldest and best-known makers of prepared foods. The company leads the industry in its production of tomato sauce, peanut butter, jams and jellies, mayonnaise, and a variety of canned vegetables. But even industry leaders need to stay competitive in the marketplace, and Langeberg's management team realized that many of their operations were too labor-intensive and too decentralized.
There was a lot of double handling of the product. It was nowhere near world-class standards, and that was really the drive to motivate the kitchen plant.
They needed to reduce the labor content, cost, and production waste of each product. The company researched software-based production systems and chose Factory Suite from Wonderware.
The idea was to have a modern integrated kitchen plant, up to date, with real-time control.
They wanted to have a kitchen that could run at least 10 different products simultaneously, coordinated with the production of at least 17 different recipes.
The plant is very compact, and you need to be able to see what's happening at any stages in the plant or in any stages in the production itself.
The new Langeberg production systems use 3 modules from Factory Suite: In-Touch Process Visualization Software, the In-Batch Flexible Batch Management System, and the Industrial SQL Server Real-Time Relational Database. In the kitchen plant, In-Touch monitors a wide range of tanks, vessels, pipes, manifolds, valves, mixers, and other equipment. Operators at In-Touch workstations ensure that the equipment is up and running and available for batch production. In-Touch's alarm capabilities keep supervisors aware of any production problems so they can make corrections to the process. Factory Suite's batch management software is the heart of the Langeberg production system. In-Batch makes sure that every phase of every recipe is completed, from raw ingredients to finished product. Weekly production requirements are captured from a mainframe order system directly into the In-Batch schedule. In-Batch sets production priorities and schedules each batch on a per-shift basis. Using the power and flexibility of In-Batch, production supervisors can schedule as many as 16 recipes for processing at any given time.
Instead of downtime, we want to run continuous production, obviously bring the cost down. So with a flexible batching system, running as well as it does in the plant, it allows us to run all the different recipes that we can.
Each product recipe has a number of phases, and In-Batch runs these in sequence, issuing instructions to the PLC for specific actions to be controlled at every phase. Even manual phases that require operator intervention, like adding small amounts of spices or other ingredients by hand, are entered into the In-Batch system to verify that every phase of the recipe has taken place. To record historical data on each batch run, Langeberg uses Factory Suite's powerful Industrial SQL Server database. Valuable information such as start-stop times, quantities, ingredients used, and operator details is stored in the database to give Langeberg a complete product genealogy from the final product all the way back through the raw ingredients. Langeberg also uses Industrial SQL Server to record the test results of batch samples, which can be used later on for traceability if a batch is not mixed correctly. It also gives them valuable production-based reports, so the company knows exactly how efficient the plant is on any given day. With Factory Suite from Wonderware, Langeberg's Boksburg plant was able to centralize its operation and make it more diverse. At the same time, they were able to increase plant productivity and reduce costs significantly. In fact, the Langeberg kitchen plant is now so productive that the company needs to renovate its filling and seaming lines so they can package their food products as fast as they can make them. The implementation of Factory Suite was so effective that Langeberg is cooking up a deal to bring Wonderware to each of its 5 plants in South Africa. Now that's food for thought.